Okay, sir. I would like to tell your little bit mistakes because I need to start another class. You said according to me. Yes. Never say according to me. You should say in my point of view. In my
Yes,
point
yes.
of view. Otherwise, in my opinion. ठीक है? And after that, you used people. 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 You should not say people. You should say people. You say people. Say again. People.
Yes, yes.
People. People.
People.
People.
People.
People, thank you, thank you. And first of all, I welcome you in this live session of India English बोलेगा अभियान. अगर आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ सकते हैं तो बोल भी सकते हैं. This is Suraj Kumar, founder of India English बोलेगा अभियान. I welcome you, sir. This live session of India English बोलेगा अभियान, the great dream to change India, sir. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, yes, definitely. Why not? First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. This is Santanu in front of you. I am from West Bengal, and by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an assistant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I'm running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction.
Wow, 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 fantastic, fantastic, sir. And really, I appreciate you, sir, for your valuable time because you know that after a long time, I haven't recorded any video because you know a Skype application that crashed, and now it is very difficult for us to record the video. But now I thanks Geo Meet because of that today just we are able to meet here the videos. Yeah.
Yes.
So definitely, really, I respect your time, sir. Then please tell me about your hobbies, sir. What do you want to do in your life? What is your hobby?
Yeah, nowadays my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. This is my goal. Yeah, I that's why I started my English speaking journey. And yeah, I like traveling here and there. Uh, but nowadays my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. And sir, we are meeting very first time. I don't know about yourself. Who are you and where are you from? Kindly, what do you do? So before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. First of all, please say something about yourself.
I tell you, my name is Suraj Kumar, and I am from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. Yes, and I work as an English spoken trainer, and my YouTube channel name is India English Bolega Abhiyan. I have a great dream to transform India. I have my own YouTube channel, Instagram, as well as application and website also. I have created many courses, PDF ebooks, and I am expert tutor in Hybro application. There are more than thousands students are there. I guide them, I teach them. Really, I love to teach English language. I love to speak English language, and really, I am working for it, and I know it very well. That if you love anything from your heart, really, it is amazing. I feel fantastic. You know,
Yeah.
so I think, of course, in this conversation, if any grammar mistakes, pronunciation mistake, if you will make it, I would like to improve your English. Okay. So finally, I will
Yes.
tell you. I will reveal. I will write your mistakes, and finally, I will tell you this kind of mistake you are making. Yes. So the
Yes.
this
Yes.
video it will be fruitful for the people. They are learning English language. They are beginners. They want to speak fluently because it was my dream, sir. And I tell you, I was from Hindi medium school, and once upon a time, one of my friends he insulted me very badly that you can't speak English fluently in your whole life because you are from Hindi medium school student, and even you don't know two lines how to talk in English language. You are saying you will teach online and you will start India English बोलेगा अभियान. You are a hot shot. Hot shot का मतलब होता है फेंकू. But today, my friend and Santanu sir, I would like to tell you, today I have taught more than thousands of students. Want to
Oh
not?
yeah, nice.
More than thousands. Five class to PhD holder students. Even doctors, nurses, CA, all kinds of students. I have taught director, producer, actor like Pankaj Titoria. I have also made a video with him and just uploaded in my channel. So really, I feel proud in my life that the people they were laughing at me yesterday, today they are feeling same. That really it was their bad.
Yes, yes, really wonderful. Yeah, there is a big story in your life. Yeah, and you are dying. And nowadays, you are doing a good job. And sir, you are also teaching so many students nowadays. But how long have you been teaching?
I have been teaching for more than 5 years. 5 years of experience I have, and really I just started teaching online after the corona. I think in 2023. 23 I started teaching online. Earlier I was teaching offline.